Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra, Air sign. This is July weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra, Air sign. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fill in. So let's see what are the messages for Libra and what's going on. Messages for Libra. Under the deck, Knight of Cups, the Hermit, and the Sun, and the Devil. I think you are obsessed with this person or they are obsessed with you, and the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn or Virgo. And Knight of Cups, someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. For some, it could be a brand new person. For some, it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. But there is some changes coming into your life, the Sun, in your future. Right now, maybe you are in no contact situation with your person. You are healing. You are taking rest. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Pentacles, Two of Cups, and the World. Some cycles are already ended between you and your person, Libra. Yeah, love is mutual, but there is no equal give and take between you and your person because Six of Pentacles is here. Lots of you are in long distance relationship. So there is no equal give and take. There is no clarity. Yeah, there is love, but there is no equal give and take. Then present Seven of Swords, Page of Swords, and Four of Pentacles. So someone is sneaking this connection. According to me, it's your person. This person is not trustworthy, Libra. Seven of Swords. So they always telling lies, cheated on you, lied to you. Maybe third party involved in this connection. Lot of spying is going. You are spying on them or they are spying on you. Maybe you decided to holding back. Yes, because this person is not trustworthy. You are not sure about your person. That's why you are holding back. Then future Seven of Cups, Two of Swords, and the Moon. Yeah, definitely you are at some crossroads. You are in some confusion because you don't know which decision you have to make, especially in this relationship. Lot of trust issues between you and your person. Lot of trust issues. You are not trusting this person anymore because they always keep putting you in false hope. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Pisces, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Two of Swords, Six of Cups, Queen of Cups, and Ace of Pentacles. So, oh my God. So they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe if you are in separation, now they are realizing your worth. Definitely they do love you, but there is no responsibility. But now your person thinking about you a lot and they are at some crossroads. I think they are juggling. They are juggling between you and their family, you and their career. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions towards you, Libra. Their current feelings towards you. Lot of thinking. Yeah, maybe the person involved in this connection could be another Libra. And Ace of Wands, lot of passion, and they wanna come, but they're in slow moving energy because lot of issues between you and your person. So Two of Wands, uh, maybe your person have options. They're thinking about options, but they're going to choose you, and there is some communication to fix the things between both of you. Definitely, a person wants second chances, and they want to fix things between both of you, and there is a chance for communication, and they're very attracted to you. They're very passionate about you. So let's see their intentions, Libra. Children's involved in this connection, yeah, they will take action very soon. They won't give up on you. They want second chances, Libra, but there are some trust issues. Maybe they're scared for rejection. Seven of Swords came twice in this reading, but they are thinking about you very positively. Maybe they have regrets. Definitely they have regrets. They are realizing you both, the Sun and Seven of Wands and King of Wands. Maybe your person have ego problems, but they are going to be make action very soon. Yes, they're feeling stuck. They're stuck on you. They want 10 of cups happiness with you. For some, your person is already married and having kids with other person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Lot of fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, you both have strong soulmate connection. They are thinking about you 24/7. Definitely they want marriage with you. Yes, love. There is love, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, and they're really thinking about husband. They're really thinking about marriage. So this time they're very serious about you. Yes, they wanna make action very soon. For some, you decided to move on from your person because there is no clarity. You're wasting a lot of time on waiting. That's why you're waiting for right time. For some, you decided to move on because there is no commitment. So let's see mutual. For some, you are waiting for them. Here two cases. Mutual energies, yes. You are on your power. Definitely there is communication. For some, you decided to cut off this person from your life. You are setting boundaries. But there is communication. Truth is coming out. Hierophant and Chariot. And yeah, patience is the key. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. But you are on their mind 24/7 and they're thinking about you a lot. And you both have strong soulmate connection. It is high level soulmate and spiritual connection between both of you. Free yourself. I'm not feeling good enough for you. I want you back and I can't let you go. So the messages are free yourself. I'm not feeling good enough for you. I want you back and I can't let you go. Yeah, definitely they can't let you go. They won't give up on you. Let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of a tough cycle approaches full moon in Capricorn energy. So if you are going through a tough cycle right now, it is going to be end very soon, especially when full moon in Capricorn. And hold your vision, fixed moon. So if you want to achieve anything, so you have to hold your vision and do consistent hard work. Definitely your vision will come true. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you.